This is the Minisopuru MD6950U DisplayLink 16-in-1 triple display docking station with multi-device charging. I was sent this to review, so let's take a look and try it out. Here is the docking station. You've got so many ports on the front and the back. Here's the power adapter it comes with. You've got a fold-in true prong plug, nice and long cord. Just gonna plug that in here, the DC. Then once this is powered up, you've got one USB-C to USB-C cord. This is what you're gonna plug into your main device to power it up. It does come with one USB-C to USB-A standard dongle, just in case you don't have a USB-C device, but I do, so let's go ahead and get this started. Let's look at all the ports first before we plug this in. Oh my goodness. You've got SD and TF slots, 10 Gbps ports here, 2 standard USB, 3 USB-C. These four are 7.5 watts. This one is 30 watts for charging your phone or iPad really fast. You've got a standard audio jack here for your keyboard or your mouse and the power button. Then if we flip it over to the back, this is where you plug in your power adapter to get this whole thing powered up. This is the USB-C port where you're gonna plug in this one to connect it to your main laptop or computer or MacBook, whatever. These are your various ports for connecting your displays. Up to 3 displays you can connect with options of 8K, 4K HDMI, 8K, 4K DisplayPort. Oh my gosh. And you've also got a slot for your modem or your router. And then here on the bottom, you've got really nice rubber grips so it won't slide around and it won't scratch your desk. This thing is amazing. Let's get it plugged in. I have a nice big Mac, but if you have a Mac, you know it comes with 4 measly little USB-C ports that are not very useful. So pretty much everyone's gotta have some sort of docking device with more input. So I've been using this docking port here that it sits on, but again, not many options and you cannot connect and use more than one monitor. So this one is a huge step up for me and for anyone. Oh my gosh. Let's get it plugged in. Now I can just plug everything right into here and I can connect a monitor or 2 more monitors right here. And you could get a longer cord to connect them if you need this to be like hidden away somewhere else, but as it is, it's like right here, so convenient. Got my 2 external hard drives here. They are so fast getting the data back and forth. I can use this one to charge my camera and get data on and off that. I can use this 30-watt one to charge my iPhone. You could use it to charge your MacBook, whatever. This will charge your MacBook or your laptop 85 watts, like super fast, so you don't need to have your own adapter for that. It comes with a USB flash drive for installing the DisplayLink driver. With the driver installed, you can connect up to 3 displays, resolving MacBook's M1, M2, M3 chip limitations. This docking station is compatible with MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Thunderbolt 4 and 3, full-featured USB-C laptops, Windows 10 and later, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Ubuntu, and Android. It is so universal, just about. It is compact, so versatile. It's gonna charge your phones, your tablets, your laptop. It's gonna connect up to 3 displays. It's just amazing. I love it, and I know you will too.